Track or out of track? Pages are loading. Okay, come to the new page now. New book. Inside the new book .js file, that is newbook.js only, I guess. Newbook.js. Newbook.js. We need to create a form here. New book we have written. Write a division. Class name. MB3. Label. Enter book name. Input type equal to text. Class name. Form. Control. One text box should be ready. Book name. Price and details. Book name. Add one more for book price. Add one more. Book details. And the text area. Text area open, text area close. Okay, so it's like this. Next, we require one button, save button. Write a button. Text center. Save book. PTN danger. Button is ready. Now, whichever the book details you will enter and click on save button, it will go to server and it will come in the book list. Done till here, then we can write the next code. So total we have to create 3 variable, one for the name purpose, second for price, and third for details. So come up and write a variable, let book name, pick name, use state, empty, book price. We can write here for pick price. QTY, pick QTY. One more variable, message, update message. Book name, book price, book QTY. We'll write a next function called save. Alert book name. Okay, so put until here. Come down. After H2, print the message variable MSG. Text hyphen center. Text hyphen danger. Whichever the message will be there, it will display in red color in middle of 6. Okay, written. So variable is ready, function is also ready, save function. Then message variable you printed here, MSG. Then now we'll go to the text boxes, and on change we need to call the functions. On change, you will call the function call pick name. Even I will write value also here to clear the text box. Call book name. Try this on change. See, fraud message should be believable, right? Fraud message should be able to believe, correct? If suppose someone will send a message, you have been selected to get 20,000 rupees. Okay. Okay, someone can believe. If suppose someone will send a message, you have been chosen to get a 20,000 US dollar. To get a donation, for more details, click here. For more details, click here. Right? Click here, delete option will come. Click here, delete option will come. Morning, 1 hour before, one call came from the in Karnataka language only, and two persons started talking on the phone. Okay, hello, hello. Yes, hello, madam. Then two persons started talking. It was a recorded sound actually. And then after that, something they talk and they say like, okay, man, I will be on the hold. And some other person is saying, please be on the call. I'll connect him. Okay, and I'm on the hold. Okay, it was a recorded sound. Means my call was on waiting, right? 1 minute. I was also surprised what happened. Okay. 1 minute gone, then suddenly in my mind something hit it like, brother, someone is hacking you. Disconnect the call immediately. Okay, then I disconnected the call. After 1 minute, again call came from the same number. After 2-3 minutes, again call came from the same number. Right? So look like unknown number, we should not touch it, sir. Okay, hope written this. Come next for the next text box. Pick name, after that pick price. Value equal to book price. Text area. Pick details. Pick details. Pick details is not there. Book QTY we have written. Oh, in our page we have a data called details, right? We have data called details. Name, price, and details. Name, price, details. Hold on. Okay. So I made a mistake here. It should not be book QTY, it should be book details. The state variable should be book details. And function should be pick details. Pick details. Book details and pick details. You can change this one. Book details and pick details. Book details. Then on click, all the permissions save. You will enter the value, click on save button, see any alert is coming. Last minutes. Line number 20. Line number 30 को करता लेना है x3 हो जाएगा इससे आप डिलीट कर दो लेकिन टेबल में अपने क्लास है टेबल में क्लास है टेबल है ना वहाँ पे क्लास है क्लास में टेबल है ना टेबल स्पेस टेबल आइकन वो आइकन एक बार किया है फिर वो मेरे को नीचे कम गया इसको कॉलेज की टूर है कॉलेज की बात है कॉलेज की शिक्षा है 68 Smart design. Man is going out of the window. Reduce some menus. In the menu list, reduce some menu, remove some menu. Okay. Okay. Now see, when we enter here call ABC, click on this, alert is coming. So this alert should come. When we enter anything here and click here, this alert should come. Okay. Now next target is whatever the data you enter here, this data should go there only. Where? To the JSON server. So for that, few lines we have to write. Button click save is happening. You are able to pick the value. Those part is ready. Now come to the save function. Under the save function, where you want to send the data, that location you need to store in a variable as URL equal to http://localhost 123//book list. This is the location where you want to send the data and you want to fetch the data. So we are fetching from this location only, localhost:123//book list. From book list URL, we are fetching the data. From book list URL, we are fetching the data. Come down. Right next. Write a variable called post data. Post data or post data, instead of that you can write book data. Book data equal to, what are the properties you have inside the JSON server? ID, name, price and details. 4 property we have. ID, name, price and details. I will show once, then I'll write the code. I'll open the JSON file and you can see here we have a property under the book list, ID, name, price and details. So ID, the JSON server will generate automatically. Only we have to send name, price and details. 3 field we have to send in this format. In this format. Okay. Like the array of object, in the form of object we have to send, and the JSON will store in the form of array of object. So first property is name. Name. ID system will generate automatically. Name, it come from the book name. Next property is called price. It will come from the book price. Book price. Third property is details. It will come from the book details. Name, price, details. Name, price, details. After that, come down. You have routing problem, okay? Whoever are able to see the black screen, you have routing problem. You are not able to write a file for the routing. You are not able to link your file in the routing. Check that. So done till here. This is the book data. This is the URL. Okay. So on this URL, we have to send this book data. Okay. On this URL, we have to send this book data. But while sending the book data on this URL, you have to specify how you want to send and what you want to send. How you want to send means secure or unsecure, and then in which format you want to send, directly object or in the form of JSON. So for that, we will write another variable. So these 3 steps will be compulsory every time whenever you are going to do the post or update or delete or anything. So this first step URL, second step content, and third step the settings. Okay, so now I'll write called post option. Post option. Post option equal to what are the thing you are going to post? First will be headers. HEADERS, headers. Don't select the suggestion will come, don't select that, write manually. Headers. Okay, inside the headers, you will be writing what format of data you are going to send. That will come in flower bracket. You will write call content hyphen type. Content hyphen type. What type content you are going to send? So you will write here application slash JSON. So you are going to post the data in the form of JSON. Then after that, method, whether secure or unsecure. So method will be post fully secure. Then body. In the body, you are going to send the content. In the body, you are going to send the content. So write till here first. Spelling you can write content type C is capital, T is capital. In content type C is capital, T is capital. So wrote till here. Okay, next after this, we have mentioned we are sending the data in the form of JSON, and this is the data is in the form of object. Okay, so you have to call a function here, JSON dot stringify. For what purpose? To convert the data from array to JSON. Array to JSON. You can write here in a comment also, array to JSON. You are converting your data from array to JSON. Array to JSON. Okay, rotate. 3 steps you will remember. First URL, second call data, and third one settings. Settings. What you are sending, where you are sending, all we need to specify. Now come down. You will right call fetch. Inside the fetch, first URL will come and comma. Second, this one. Which one? Post option. First URL and second post option. Okay, post option, then come down, right call, then again response. After that, again response.json. Backend will send you some response. That is nothing but your data with ID. You are posting the data without ID. You can see here, you are posting the data without ID. And when the data will post successfully, the backend will return you with ID. All the data with ID. Okay. So let's write here again, then server response. Server response. Now at this place, server response, you will be writing a message, update message, book name plus save successfully, book name plus save successfully. Next, you need to clear the text boxes. We have called pick name, call it and clear here. Pick price, clear here. Pick details and clear here. After posting the data, you need to clear the text field. Now check now, enter the value, click on save button. Message will come. If you go to the list, you will see your data will be there only. So, written. Now we can check data is posting or not. Posting, it should come to the list. I'll share complete function in chat. If error, you can try this also. Check now. Data is saving for how many people? A smallest day in the full year. A smallest day in the full year. 22. Yeah. A smallest day in the full year. 22 December. Today the day will be only for how many hours? 10 hours and 41 minutes. After that, night will come. The smallest day. I'm not saying it's in the Google. Saving, data saving or not? Check, check. Let's add here some element. Keyboard 1000. A strong keypad. With a strong keypad. Save it. Says keyboard save successfully. Clear happen. If you go to the hook 10, you should see the keyboard should be there. Name, price, details, and all the details. Saving. Yes, no, say in chat. Even I have sent you complete function also. That is possible. First you see saving, no? The redirection is a single line code. Saving is a big line. Save happening. Redirection also we can do. Window.location.href. You tried in the wrong way. Okay. Let me guide you. How it will redirect. First clear the text box. Message will come. Then write here. Window dot location dot location. LOCATION location dot href equal to which component you want to go? You want to go to the list, right? So you have to write this one. It may be dot slash we have to give, but let me check once. Mine is hook 14. My listing is available on which URL? Page 14. So I have given here slash 14. Let me try once. I'll go here. I'll add here call mouse 200, 2000. Good. Save it. It's redirected, no? Redirected to where? Okay. Hash we have not given. Oh, wrong. So hash we should give hash slash. Hash slash. Okay. Hook 14 slash 14. Yes. Very good. Hook slash 14 slash 14. So we can write here hash slash, or maybe you have to write dot slash. 8 minutes. I'll check it. Dot slash. Laptop Dell 55,000. Okay. Page 14 is going, but what happened is it is not getting that. So has slash page 14. Book 10. Add one more call mobile. 5,000. Okay. Okay. You have to write here hash slash your URL name to redirect automatically. To redirect after save. I hope we are not escaping this example. As a front-end developer, you have to play around the data, posting the data, fetching the data, listing the data, deleting the data, editing the data. Okay. And not static data, dynamic data that will come from the server every time. So write it seriously, it will be helpful. So okay, data is saving and redirect console. This all will not go in one chat. Let me try. This all will not go in one chat. I'll send you half. First chat. Take the second one. And take third one. Okay, code is sent. Check once. So the data is saving properly and even redirection also happen. Next, we need to delete that record. Next, we need to delete that record. And we need to see here. You can see data are getting added here. And the same data will go to your JSON server also. You can see that content are here. Where in the JSON server. The file you have created data.json. Can you see here? 2 you have added before. Now after that I added multiple. So all are getting added in the last. Getting added. So till the date this file will be exist, you can access your data in the React directly using better user interface. Okay, so shall we do the delete part? Are you both working? Are you both there? Last one. Yes. Okay, Aapka? Okay, then I will go to the delete functionality now. Okay, delete functionality. So first you come to the previous component, that was hook 10, I guess. Hook 10. Hook 10. Okay, inside the hook 10, you write a function called delete book. Delete book equal to alert here call. Okay, you need the ID, book ID. Which book you want to delete? That book ID we required. That book ID we required. Okay, book written, delete book, come down. You have a delete function somewhere, delete button. On click of that, call this function. On click equal to delete book dot bind. Delete book dot bind book dot id. Book dot id. Delete book dot bind book dot id. Delete book dot bind book dot id. Click. Now click. Hope you get the alert. Book ID. It's not index. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, and book ID is something else. Book ID is generated by server. Index is generating here. We are generating. This is not even index. This is the book ID. So when you click on delete, object is coming. Why? Because we have not added this comma book ID. This comma book dot ID. This comma book dot ID. Okay, this comma book dot ID. And after that, alert will come. Whichever the delete button we click, that ID should be as a alert. Now come to the delete function. In delete function, you need the URL from where you want to delete the record. So where URL equal to http://localhost://book list/book ID. Book ID. Like from this URL, you want to remove a particular book. So what is the ID of the book? In URL only we need to append and we need to send. Many times we'll do the mistake. Will not give the slash in the last. If will not give the slash in the last, it will not generate the proper URL. It will not delete the record. So make sure slash should be there in the last. Slash should be there in the last. Next, after that, you have to write again variable post option equal to headers content hyphen type colon JSON application first, application hyphen JSON, comma method. Method colon delete capital. Two things only we need to pass. I think headers is also not required. Okay. First we'll try, add it, try. Later we'll delete the headers. Without header it should work. Come down, right below fetch function again. URL comma post option. Dot then again. Dot then. Response dot JSON. Again dot then server response. Right here Get book function again, call it. After deleting the book, reload the list. To reload the list after delete. To reload the list after delete. Okay, ready? If now delete is happening, delete should happen. One page delete is happening, another page add is happening. Add happen and from delete happen, list is already happening. So there is a word called this one, CRUD. Okay. C for create, R for read, U for update, and D for delete. Create, read, update, and delete. So in that, create is done, read is also done. The read means listing, D means delete is happening. Now what is pending? Update. We have seen one day use params. Use params, right? Now use params is required to do the update part. What use params will do? When you click on edit, it will go to other page. And this ID, book ID, we will send through URL, edit book /3. So it will go to another page. There it will display only particular book details. Do the changes and click on update. It will do the update in the back. Okay, so that will take one class, that tomorrow class. So delete happen. Now let me open the JSON file. I'll share you this code first. Delete functionality is shared in your chat. Now in that JSON file, if you look, you have one book list, there we added the data and deleted and then listed. Now that day only we have created two more. One is called blog list, another one is called company list. Now your homework will be, you create another component, maybe in this project or some other project your wish. Okay, create another component that is called company list. Company list component that will read the data from this URL. Call it a http:// you have here, no? Look at here. This is coming which one? Book list. And then you will get the company from the company list. Company name, total employee, branch, and phone number. Any 4 field you can give. ID will come by default. Name, branch, employee, and city. 4-5 field you can add. And that you need to list first. After listing, you need to add similarly how we are adding. And after adding, you need to delete how we are deleting. So this practice, you should not repeat only one time. You should repeat 2 times. One is for the company, another one is for the blog. Title and then details. Blog title, blog details. 2 field only. ID will be by default. Saving, listing, and deleting. So if those 2 components, saving, listing, deleting, if you are able to do, then this will work on this part. Call it a search. Then we'll work on paginess. Okay, so 2 homework is for you. What is that? Blog list, save, list, delete any field you want, whatever. Save, list, and delete. Companies list also save, list, and delete. Two functionality if you are doing properly, honestly in home, right? 100% you will be okay with saving the data, listing the data, and deleting the data. Edit, I'll guide you. And after doing edit, another 1 day it will take 1 class to apply the search functionality and to apply the paginess. I will guide you to apply in 1 component. You will have 2 more components. One will be blog list and one will be company list. You will apply 2 more places. You will remember it all. Okay. But the implementation is important. Blog list and company list. 2 things. I hope you can do it. Okay. We'll see you again tomorrow.
हेलो सर।
हेलो
सर एक डाउट था।
हेलो
सर एक डाउट है, ये जो जितने भी डिलीट बुक फंक्शन है या फिर न्यू बुक में जो फंक्शन है, यहाँ पे हम अगेन फैच मेथड यूज करते हैं।
कम अगेन
सर जो भी ये मेथड है डिलीट बुक मेथड जैसे हैं, और हम दोबारा फैच मेथड यूज करते हैं ना।
To send the request, you have to use the delete function. Sorry, to send the request, you have to use the fetch function.
जिसमें हम URL और पोस्ट ऑप्शन यूज करते हैं।
नहीं, जोर से बोलोगे तो हमको सुनाई देगा भाई। आप मुंह में बोल रहे